What are you eating? Is that a hot Cheeto? Don't eat that hot Cheeto, buddy. Oh no, that is gonna mess you up, guys. Oh no. That is so a hot Cheeto, isn't it? Or is it? I don't know. It's orange. I don't think anything in nature is that orange. Hi. Technically I have food, but I'm not giving it to you. I'm gonna have to zoom out. Well, maybe not that far. You're closer than my camera thinks you are. It's like, that's him. And that's me. I hope. I can't really see. There's people coming, so he might fly away. He, she, I don't know. Hi. I'm not giving you my burger. It's cold anyway, just like the outside. This is really cool. He's really close, like maybe 10 feet away. Maybe 10 feet. Actually, I'd say 8. He was like 8 feet away. Oh, goodness. A little slip there. Hi. There's people coming, so he's like not really wanting to get closer. Still, you can tell it's a tourist seagull because it's closer than a wild seagull would ever get to a human. I'll stop filming now and save the battery. But that was really cool. I'd say like 8 feet. I don't know. No, if I laid down, he was like 5 or 6 feet away from me. Dang. Bye, seagull.